Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your character level and that glide is learned, or the Keyblade has the glide ability. Equip the glide keychain or ensure the command appears in your command deck. Once done, travel to an area with glide-friendly geometry, open ledges, wind currents, or long corridors. Make sure to save before attempting, then practice the initial jump sprint timing. You will perform a running jump, then immediately activate glide to catch air. This first sequence sets your rhythm for chaining glides. Now refine your inputs. Sprint toward the edge, press jump, and at the apex press glide. This timing trades vertical height for horizontal carry. Once you land, cancel the recovery by doing a quick hop or air dodge when available, then reactivate glide to link the next segment. You need consistent camera alignment. Face the glide direction to reduce drift, and monitor any ability cooldowns or MP cost if applicable. Practice short chains before attempting long routes, so your muscle memory locks the cadence. To finish, continue chaining runs until you reach the objective. Maintain momentum and avoid enemies that interrupt your input rhythm. If you clip a corner or lose height, land safely and reset by repositioning on a platform before attempting again. If glides fail, make sure glide is actually equipped in your command deck and that controller inputs map correctly. Reduce camera shake and lower frame drops to prevent input loss. One key troubleshooting tip: remap glide to a primary button to improve timing consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.